Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to save caption templates as presets in Capcut PC. So first things first, you want to open your browser and you want to search for Capcut for PC. Then you're going to click on the first link. Then you want to click on download for free. But if you're using MacBook like me, you can actually download this straight from the App Store. So after you have downloaded this, you want to open it. Then you want to go to the left side and you want to click on sign in. Then you're going to sign in using your Facebook account or your Google account. So after you've logged in, you can now click on create project. Then from here, you can go ahead and start creating your captions. So you're going to go here to the top and you want to click on text. Then you're going to click on default text. Then you're going to click on the plus icon so that you can add this. Then you can go ahead and customize your captions. You can edit the display text over here at the right side, like so. Then you can also adjust the size of your caption and place it anywhere on your video. Then you can also edit your caption. You can change the font over here at this side. You can also change the font size. You can also change the color, or you can also use some preset style over here. Then you can also click on bubble and effects so that you can see other available options. And after you've done that, you're just going to click on save as preset over here at the bottom. Then if you want to see your presets, you're going to go back over here to the top. You're going to click on import. Then you're going to click on your presets under device. And you'll be able to see your presets in this area. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.